Hello, good afternoon. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So, I will wait for a few seconds as want that few persons join us, and then we will start our live webinar. Yes, people are joining us. So I can see Akshay ji is here. So is my voice is audible to you? Could you please confirm me? Yes. Right. Hello, Geet Baba. So, how are you? That's good. So, I will start my session very soon. Yes. So, good afternoon, everyone. And this is Komal Sharma. I'm the International Recruitment Manager of Lyson College, Brampton Campus, Canada. So today we are going to talk about Lyson College and its products and how you guys can apply your applications in our college. And also we will talk about the scenario, how you can apply your applications in this current situation due to this COVID-19. And also I will take all your queries. So first I want to say that I'm hosting this webinar on behalf of Apple Abroad Solutions. So Apple Abroad Solution is doing really good. They are providing all up to date information to their clients, so that they are arranging these webinars for everyone, so that their associates and students just stay up to date. So it's a really good thing. I appreciate this thing as well. And as you all know, Apple Abroad Solution, they are doing really good in this industry, and it's a really good company providing genuine advice to clients as well. Yes. So I would like to welcome you all. You just taking your precious time to join us. So it's a really good thing. Before I start my webinar, I also would like to say, like, if you have any queries or any questions, you can drop your queries in this in the comment box, and after the session, I will take your queries one by one and sort out your all the doubts. Right. So I think people are joining us, and we should start the webinar, and later more people can join us. And if you have any queries, you can drop your queries in the comment box. Right. So firstly, I hope you all are doing very well at your homes, as due to this COVID-19, no doubt, situation is really hard. In as cases are increasing, in Punjab and in Maharashtra, so it's a really panic situation. But still, if we will talk about the another countries, international countries, they are just taking all the precautions, and they are beating up coronavirus from their country. If I will talk about Canada, so Canada is totally doing really good to flatten this curve from their country. And Canada is going to stable very soon. Within few months, they are going to open everything, doors for the international students as well, and everything they are going to start. As New Zealand has already started, if you guys know, New Zealand have now zero case of COVID-19, so they are already just out the corona from their country. So it's a good thing actually. They have opened the schools, colleges, and everything. So students who are aspire to study in New Zealand, even New Zealand is open right now, right? So they are going to start the international flights very soon with Australia and other countries. Right. So I think the students who wants to apply their applications in Canada, they should apply your applications now, because if you will apply your applications for September 2020, you could travel later on, because as there is a news, flights are going to open in August. So students who has applied for September 2020, or who going to apply for September 2020, they could travel. If due to any reason they could not travel, but colleges and universities are with you, you guys can defer your intakes, and you can join later on, because as vaccination for corona is not developed yet, so we have to take all the precautions, and we cannot say the further conditions. As we see, it's not in India or in Canada or anywhere, it's a whole world is suffering. But due to this pandemic, we will not let your dreams suffer. We want you fulfill your dreams, and you just apply your applications. If you want to, if you are aspire to study in Canada, you can, because scenario is going to stable very soon everywhere. Our country is very big country. We have huge population of 130 million, so it will take time here in India, but foreign countries, other international countries are doing really good to stable everything in their countries. So I think students should take the further step, because if every student is thinking they will apply for the January 2021, you could lose your seat. Because why? Because you could lose your seat. Colleges or universities have limited seats. So what will happen if you all will apply for the same intake? You could lose your seat in your preferred university or college. So this is a right time to book your seat. If you will not travel in September, you could travel next month, or you could travel in November. We do have November intake as well, so we can give you the deferment for the next intake. So now I will talk about my college, Lyson College. Lyson College, it's established from 1996. And Lyson College location is Brampton. Which campus I am promoting, that is Brampton campus, and it's a really very good city of Ontario state. So if we will talk about, rather than the another big cities in Ontario state, Brampton is quite good for the students. Students can survive easily here, because it's economical, and you can get the accommodation even in affordable price and all. Right. So temperature, if I will talk about in Brampton, that is also really good. Like students can survive over there. They can adjust themselves. It's just high 27 in July and minus 10 in January. So it's a adaptable we can say weather as well. So temperature is also not super hot or super cold. So you can enjoy the warmth of summers and nippy winter nights over there. So it's a really good thing. And if I will talk about the population, it's a very small city. It has just 600,000 population in Brampton. So you will avail the good opportunities for jobs as well over there, because it's not a crowded place. And another thing is, it's just a 30 minutes away from the Toronto, from very big city. So you can enjoy the big city exposure just around the corner of your city. So it's a good thing as well. So if I will talk about Brampton, it's a really beautiful place, and you can visit here many places. From long list, I will mention few places here, like Red Theatre is very famous there, Gage Parks, and Garden Secure. These are the few places which is really very good places to visit over there from a long list. If further I will talk about Niagara Falls, it's a very famous, so it's just have a 1.5 hour drive from here. Student could have a very good lifestyle in Brampton city. You will not face any troubles over there. And our college is also very sportive. Our staff is very sportive. They are supporting you in everything. If I will talk further about the Programs. So moving further to programs, so programs we do have all the good range programs, and all programs are job oriented programs. Lyson is famous for the hospitality and culinary industry. So if you will know that, like any student who want to settle down over there and who want to study in cookery field or want to become a professional chef, they can join this course. So if I talk further, how we are providing you training, we have Canada's best chefs in our college. We are teaching you cooking, baking, and every hospitality skills in this course. And we do have a well equipped kitchens over there, so you guys will get a good exposure, and in this kitchen you can use all the equipments. We are providing the student kits as well without any payable charges to students over there, right? So it's a really good thing for students. You just need to go from here and you will get everything ready in a college to do your further studies. We are teaching you all the French and classical modern techniques of culinary arts, the skills which is required for the modern restaurants. So we are teaching you those skills. We are teaching you French food skills, right? So it's all about a very good course. If I will talk about the culinary and hospitality courses, these courses are designed by the hospitality professionals. So very good courses. You guys should join this course if you want to study in hospitality or in culinary arts. We have the courses as per the student requirement as well. Basically we have 8 types of culinary arts and hospitality courses, but it depends upon the student's eligibility for which course you are eligible and how you can apply. So further, if I am moving to a next course, we do have a 3 type of business range courses as well in Lyson. So first course is DBM, Diploma in Business Management, and second is a Diploma in Business Administration, and third one is Diploma in Project Management. So this diploma is a PG diploma actually, and other diplomas are UG diplomas. So we do have UG and PG both of the programs. And in DBM, if student wish to study over there, want to know the basic fundamentals, basic fundamentals of the business functioning, you can join this course. If you want to know about how to do the planning, organizing a company, or you want to work in any good company on good position, you could join this diploma. We are providing all the coaching with the all the advanced skills and up to date methods. If I will talk about further the diploma in business administration, so in this course you will learn all the accounting, marketing and controlling, all the skills you will learn in this diploma. So if you will see in this diploma if anyone wants to learn the practical skills, because here if you will do even your BBA, you will not get all the practical skills which you're gonna adapt in this course. This is really very good course, and all the courses we are providing coaching with up to date and advanced methods. So if anyone want to run any organization, all this course is characterized on the activities of all the business categories. So if you really wish to enhance your knowledge in business area, you should apply any diploma from both of these diplomas. So moving further, for the PG diploma in project management, this is also a very good course for the graduate students. Graduate students who wish to apply for further education and want to learn good practical skills, they should join this diploma. This diploma is a combination of business plus IT. So both of the streams students can join. Any graduate student, even if he has completed their BBA or BCA or BSc or has completed in arts even graduation, they can join this diploma. This diploma is specially designed for the graduate students. If you want to get the good knowledge, for the practical, and want to enhance your skill and want to get a potential to apply for a good jobs in Canada or all around the world, you should go for this diploma. In this diploma, we will teach you breakdown structure, problem solving, right, controlling, strategies, planning, how to make a strategies, how to do planning on any project, right? So different kind of softwares, how to use these softwares, and how to work with the different applications. So we will teach you all these skills in this course. This is a very good course for the graduate students to get a very good potential and to apply a good jobs. So these are the diplomas and programs which we are offering. Now I will talk about the requirements. So what is the academic requirement in our college? If I will talk about the academic requirements, we require 50% overall percentage. So 50% overall percentage is required. If I will talk about further, if you have less than 50 in any particular subject, still you can apply. You just need to make an initial assessment. You should scan your documents and send it to Apple Abroad Solutions team, so that they can connect with me, and I will make an assessment and I will tell you for which course you are eligible. If you have less than in any particular subject, you can apply. Overall, we require 50%. Or any student who has completed their class 12th from open board, don't you worry, we are accepting your applications. We are accepting open board students. You just need to scan your documents, send it to Apple Abroad team, and then we will get back to you very soon. In this hard scenario, we all are working remotely because we don't want to you suffer. So that we want you should have a proper up-to-date knowledge about every course and every college, so that you can apply whenever the scenario will be fine. Now even immigration is supporting the students. If we will talk about the immigration, they are saying you can apply your applications. What if you have not submitted your biometrics or your medical? They will give you 90 days time. You can submit later on, so don't you worry. You can apply your applications, but you will get later on, you can submit later on your pending documents, but they will not refuse your application. They have clearly mentioned on CIC site. I'll share the link also, or you can also check at your own. So this is really very good thing. So you will get, if even if in within 90 days you will not get the we can say pending documents cleared, again they will provide you some more time to complete your documentation, but they will not refuse your application. This is really very good thing, and it's a favorable of students, right, and consultants as well, and colleges and universities as well, because everyone is suffering in this situation. So it's a good thing, it's a good hope for the students in this scenario. So if I am talking further, what is the language requirement for my college? Language requirement is language requirement is 6 overall. IELTS we require. So 6 overall band require. If you have 5.5 in 1 or 2 modules, you can still apply applications in my college. If you have done PTE with overall 50 scores, that is also great. You can apply your applications, because we got recently on March 18th we got visa with 51 PTE scores. So it's a great thing, for students. We have really very good success rate. Our DLI is a green category DLI, we can say, because only 30% applications we have applied on this DLI for international students. So you will get your visa done, there is chances you will get a visa done. And moreover, after completion of these courses from my college, there is 90% employment success rate. we do have previous data. According to that, our students are getting 90% jobs in Canada. So language requirement is also very less, like you could do this exams easily. And if I will talk about the Duolingo test, we are accepting 105 Duolingo scores as well. You can apply your applications with Duolingo test also. And further, I will take your all the queries as well, and I will would just like to clear you. We do have a career action plan service. Through this career action plan service, any student who wish to apply their applications for the work permit after completion of study in my college, we are guiding the students how you can apply, where you can apply. Even after completion of your study, after even 1 year course, if you are doing any 1 year course, even 2 year course, still you are eligible to arrange your LMIA from there. Because with the culinary skills and hospitality skills, but I'm not saying you will get the straightway job, because I will not misguide you. There is scenario you can apply for your jobs. We will guide you how you should apply, but you have to follow the procedure. In procedure, first thing is what? First, you have to complete your study. Second thing is you should have a good communication skills, good command over your English, right? Then you can apply, then you can conduct the interviews. We will teach you how to prepare your CVs and how you can apply. And through our career action plan services, we are guiding you where you can apply, for which restaurants you should apply, where is the seats available. So we are teaching you everything. If I will talk, the students who has completed their study from Lizen College, they are working in prestigious restaurants in Canada. There is a great hope for the students who are doing their study over there to get good jobs. The way we are teaching you culinary skills and hospitality skills in our college, no college is teaching you in Brampton. Because students who has completed the study from our college, they are really appreciating that. And even in our college, we are teaching you as well. We are creating special events for students as well. After every few days, we are arranging the events for the students who has whatever they have learned. We took the practical tests in our college. So that's a really great thing for the students. And classes size is very small batches are over there. Only a maximum is 20 students batch. So it's a really great thing for students to study in Brampton campus, in Lizen College. And who really want to be a professional chef, they should apply. Lizen might be a very good destination for you students, and you could do very good in this industry after completion of your study from Lizen Brampton campus. So here are few queries as well for students. So I will take your queries too, and later on we will write. Okay. Thank you, Pranav. And Haritwik, in which college, ma'am? Haritwik, I am talking about Lizen College, Brampton campus. So if you are interested, you can scan your documents and you can send it to Apple Abroad Solution team, and we will see. Okay, so ma'am, you are talking about which college, ma'am? How many bands are required in IELTS? Pranav. Pranav, we require 6 overall bands, and 5.5 in one module or 2 module is acceptable. So if you have these band score, you can apply your application. Geet Baba, what are the visa success rate for the college, ma'am? We are getting really very good visa success rate. If I will talk about March 2020, few consultants has got 100% success rate. because you are with good consultants. They are applying your applications with, in genuine way. So if you are at Apple Abroad Solutions, they will apply your application in genuine way, so you will get done your visa, because it's all depend how you apply your application. It all depends on your SOP, because these courses, culinary arts and hospitality courses, any stream student can join. Suppose if any student has completed their class 12th in medical stream, but he has 50% overall, so can you get the admission for any medical course with 50% overall? No, you will not get a you will not you could not able to select a very good course with 50%. So you should switch over from your field and you could apply for the another, right, another course. For this, like, if you have interest in culinary or hospitality, you can apply your applications. You can switch over even from your field as well. If I will talk further, like, how बिकॉज मेडिकल में 50% उन स्टूडेंट के आते हैं जिनको ये लगता है कि हाँ मेरे कज़न ने रखा है मेडिकल तो मैं भी रख लूँ, या फिर मेरे पेरेंट्स कह रहे हैं या रिलेटिव्स कह रहे हैं कि मुझे मेडिकल स्ट्रीम ही चूज़ करनी चाहिए. सो दे आर जस्ट स्विचिंग ओवर टू द मेडिकल स्ट्रीम, बट अल्टीमेटली इट्स नॉट फॉर दैम. So then students can switch over from their field and they can apply their applications and they can change their stream. So like same way, if anyone has less course in non-medical stream or any commerce stream, if they want to switch over for this course, they can. But what require to get a visa? Here you require a good SOP, good statement of purpose, how you will apply your application, how you will clear your motive to immigration. I am a medical student but I want to study culinary arts. This is all depend upon the selection of the consultant, which consultant you have selected to apply your application. So you should go through the Apple Abroad consultants. They are very good in this, and they can apply your applications. Even you can switch over from their stream as well. So we do have really very good visa success rate. And which course provide the highest chances of getting PR after study? Geet, the thing is, PR, you need to follow some process for the PR. If I will talk about the courses, I already mentioned earlier, Liaison has only job oriented courses. Job oriented courses means, all the courses providing you practical skills, right? Practical skills, how? Because you have culinary art skill, hospitality skill, there is a great jobs for you, right? If you have the business skills, in good practical skills, you have completed your diploma, still you can apply for your PR and for your work permit. If you have very good skills in the same project management, and if you learn this project management diploma from our college, that is really really very great thing for you, right? Thank you, Sanjeev sir. If you got all the right information from me, that's really a great thing for me as well. So I appreciate this thing. Thank you very much. And also I would like to say, courses for how many years? It depends. Some courses are of 2 years and some are of 1 year. So after that, we do have a plan for you what you should do further if you are going for the 1 year course. So we will give you this detailed information while you will be at Apple Abroad Solutions, or you can book your special session with us. So we will first see your all the documents and we will make assure you like how you can apply, right? So for which course you are eligible, according to that we will give you all this information. Thank you very much, Ramneet ji, if you liked our session. And also I would like to say, students who has any doubt or any query, still few students must not here at the moment, because as already Akshay ji mentioned me, like there are many more students as well. So if you could not join us today, still you can leave your queries with Apple Abroad Solutions. You can meet Akshay ji and Rajesh sir, so that they are expert team, so they will clear your all the doubts. If still you want to connect with me, then you can connect with me as well through Apple Abroad Solutions. They do have my contact details. They could arrange a special session for you with me, and we will clear your all the doubts. So any students who want to apply applications, don't wait for January 2021. You should apply now, because you could secure your seat at this stage. And if you could not travel, we are with you. We will defer your intake. You could travel in November as well. As per the news, everything is going to open in August, so I don't think so it's gonna be so hard for students to get all this process done. So if you could have your visa, you can travel later on. Even now CIC is also with you, so they are telling you students, you can submit your pending documents later on. If you do not have done your IELTS, still I can give you a very good opportunity. If you wish to study in my college, Lyson College, Brampton campus, I'll give you conditional offer letter without IELTS as well. So it's a very good thing to hold your seat for the next intake. If any further information you require, you can connect us and we will provide you all this information. It's my pleasure, Geet. So thank you very much. So I hope I have cleared all your doubts as well. So as we are still under lockdown and we are not very much sure what's going to happen on first as well, there will be lockdown 5 as well, or we are just open, we are going to open everything. But still I will request you all, if you have really very important work, or if you are going to your work for a few hours, then only go outside. Otherwise please stay at home, take all the precautions, wash your hands, and follow the all precautions as PM our PM has suggested us. And you should install the Arogya Setu app in your mobiles as well. So I will also recommend that app, because if we have just going to start going out, we have to be very very careful around us, because there will be we are safe, or what's the situation around us. So we have to be very much secure about these things. So I think this is a very good thing. So stay home, stay safe, stay positive. As still we have enough time, as we are even working part time and everything, so we have enough time. I will request you, please acquire some skills as well, because it's a very important to polish yourself and to update yourself. So there are very good courses which are free also on Google site, and you can install Udemy or whatever. Like what you should do, at least if you have enough time, you should acquire some skill. That's a really great thing to do in this lockdown. So I think I have done pretty much with the session. And if yes, before I finish my session, I got to remember two more important things. That is, we are providing scholarships as well to our students, but scholarship is on behalf of if any student have a experience, or if any student has returned from any foreign country with the same qualification and want to do their further study in our college. Suppose student has returned from Singapore and has experience in hospitality or cookery industry, they can apply in our college and they will get special scholarships. If I will talk further, like the student who has good percentage, 70% above, and they have done something in the cookery or hospitality stream, they will also eligible to apply for the scholarship programs. So if you want to check are you eligible for the scholarships or not, you should scan your documents and send it to us, and so that we can make assessment on your application and we will guide you further. And the second very important thing which I forgot to mention earlier, that is we are accepting study gap as well, but you have to provide us the justification what you have done in that time period. We are not accepting any fake qualification in your justification period, but you have to tell us truth what you have done in that time period, and then we will see how we can fix your application. So study gap students also, don't you worry about anything, you can apply your applications. So now I have pretty much done with my session. Thank you so much for your time, and good luck. Bye bye, take care.